What's up, guys? We are back, and what better way to kick off the new year than with another episode of Clowns vs. Zombies. But first, we'd like to apologize for the delay in getting this video out to you. We did run into a few problems along the way getting this house in order, but we are now settled in and ready to start giving you more content. We have a lot in store for you this year, as well as a few surprises along the way. So if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It will help us out tremendously and keep you notified of our up-and-coming video releases. And without any further delay, episode 2. B, get up there and support him with that full-auto. Hey, well, I wonder if I can make it to the car. Oh, nope. Go. We're in! Full-auto. Medic! My head!
Be careful, it's not easy getting back here.
Oh shit!
I don't know where those came from. All right, Jesus. On your shoulder by the radio.
Oh yeah, my radio took a hit too. It looks like I took friendly fire.
Oh, how's it looking down there?
I got 3 mags left. Yep, you down.
Al, come run this way.
All right.
Is this it right here?
Nope, further up.
Further up?
Yeah.
Oh, we can cut around through that way.
We may take a stray back here.
I don't see a way through.
Just dug under it.
Are we allowed to cut through that? Too old for that shit.
We have a friendly on the left. Left house.
You caught up quick.
Yeah, that way is much fucking easier.
Ooh, shit.
No, we got pelted by those aprons.
Oh god, yeah, so did I. I made it up to that car.
We have 1 confirmed on the spool.
And they just fucking went to town on me. Took like 4 or 5 shots right at the top of my
Yeah, we
fucking
have 1 on
head.
spool, left side.
Like a handful of rocks. You see anything,
Oh,
babe?
left.
He and I looked like
1
we
on the
got shot
spool, the
for
left
real.
side.
Which side?
Left side of the spool.
Okay.
How much?
Far, about
Cover do you
150
have?
meters roughly. Yeah, right there. You see him?
Let me get a ranging shot. Okay.
He's speaking. Oh, there's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. Oh shit, he almost got me. No, he didn't get me. What the fuck?
They're right up against that building.
Right up against the building?
Yeah. You got shot? I was hoping you guys found a way.
That way.
Yeah, if you're trying to get out, go that way. But if you're trying to get around.
Find a way around.
Yeah, we've been trying too. This is about as far as we could get.
Yeah.
All right. You guys got eyes on anybody, or is it just kind of take a pop shot?
We know they're behind the building and at our 12.
Okay.
That's about all I can tell right now.
He's out. The guy at the school, I got. No, he went out. On your right shoulder, Alan.
Okay.
Zombie tank coming through. This is your tank. Go, boys. Come on, stay off the road, guys. Let's go, boys. Come on, boys. Quick.
see.
This guy's straight ahead along the netting here. He has no cover whatsoever, but I can't get my fucking balls to hit him.
Where at?
Along this netting all the way down, maybe like 50 feet, straight ahead. He's wearing a white net. Yeah, it looks like he backed off. I'm out.
I'm heading back right now. Maybe we pushed that white building we tried to get to before.
Medic!
Copy that. Sorry.
Here, medic!
Get down, get down, get down.
There you go.
Holy cow.
How many mags is that?
Am I good?
I don't see nothing on you, man. Nothing new.
30, yep.
It didn't break. I felt it hit me, but it didn't break.
Do you need a mag? I'm playing. Never mind. Good run, dude.
I can't hug this corner.
With teamwork.
I'm not behind you guys. Holy shit. Don't shoot the rat! All three of us are in the building, B.
Right, where are they saying? The bus? I don't see anybody at bus. I thought they were saying bus.
Oh, hit!